Here at the Hilltop Garment Factory, we produce the Texas flag. The flags fly over the Capitol, as well as the state cemetery and all over Texas. In addition to, we make inmate sheets, inmate gym shorts, inmate gowns. We also produce safety vest, employee vest. Let's get one of y'all sewing machines out so we can work on this machine over here. The reason that I like my job is I love to see the change in the inmates. I love to see the confidence grow within them when they learn something valuable. I love teaching them life skills that they can take out in the world and carry over into their work out in the world. To me, the Garment Factory is very important to TDCJ. Not only do we teach inmates job skills, we also provide products for all of the units all over the state of Texas. How's it going? Y'all got it under control? I'm gonna go with a quote by Dolly Parton that says, "If you don't like the road you're on, you can always repave it." I believe your mistakes don't define you, they help shape you for your future. They are what makes you build a better future for yourself. I've had inmates reach back out to us here in the factory that have stated they wouldn't be where they are if they had not had our influence in their life. And to me, that's one of the most important things. It helps with all of our mission statement with TDCJ. Great job. I really do enjoy trying to be a positive role model in their life and just letting them see that there's more to life than this time frame that they're in.